YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to program a dynamic watchlist system for our web application. In the previous video, we designed the watchlist user interface using Tailwind CSS. Now we going to move to the backend programming logic. Especially we will cover loading watchlist product from the database, displaying saved product dynamically, viewing individual product details, and programming the process that adds product to the watchlist. So by the end of this tutorial, you will understand how a real watchlist system works in modern web applications. Let's start with the backend. Loading watchlist item from the database. Now we load the user watchlist items. This query retrieves all the products saved in the watchlist. Let's look at the SQL query step by step. Understanding the SQL query. Inside the query, we select multiple fields. These fields come from the product title. They provide the basic information required to display a product card. Next, we retrieve the seller name. SQL u.fname as seller name. This comes from the user table. Then we calculate the average rating. Here we use colles. This ensures that the rating is null. If we be treat as 0. We also count the total reviews. This allows us to display the number of reviews for each product, joining multiple tables. Next, we combine data from multiple tables. This means the watchlist table store only producer ID and product ID, but the product details come from the product table. Next, we join the seller information, and then we join feedback data. This allows us to display rating and reviews. Filtering watchlist by user. Now we filter the result to only show the logged users watchlist. This placeholder is replaced by the current user's ID. This ensures that each user sees only their own saved products. Sorting watchlist items. Finally, we sort the watchlist items. This ensures that recently saved product appear first. This improves the user experience. Converting database result to an array. Next, we convert the database result into the PHP array. Here we loop through the result set and push each record into the $items array. This array will later be used to display the watchlist items on the page, showing the number of saved items. Now we display the number of saved skills. This count the number of products stored inside the watchlist. The result appear as example 3 skills saved for later. This gives users a clean indication of how many items they have saved, displaying watchlist products. Next, we loop through the items array. Each iteration generates a product card. Inside the card, we display product image, instructor name, product title, price. This allows the page to dynamically display all saved products. Calculating product rate. Inside the loop, we calculate the rating. If the product has reviews, we display the average rating. If there are no reviews yet, we display new. This improves the UI because it avoids showing empty ratings. Viewing product details. Each product card link to the product view page. When a user clicks the card, they are taken to the product details page. The product ID is passed through the URL. Then the product view page can use this ID to load the full product information. This creates a smooth product viewing experience. Programming the watchlist ad process. Now let's understand how products are added to the watchlist. This logic is handled the watchlist process.php. First we start the session and connect to the database. Then we perform an authorized check. This ensures that only logged in buyers can add items to their watchlist. Next we retrieve two important values. The user ID identifies the users. The product ID identifies which product is being saved, checking for existing watchlist items. Before inserting data, we check whether the product is already saved. If the record does not exist, the system allows the product to be added, adding the product to the watchlist. When the product is not already saved, we insert the new record. This stores the relationship between the user and the product. Now the product becomes part of the user's watchlist. Later, when the user visits the watchlist page, the product will appear there, returning JSON response. After inserting the product, the server returns the JSON response. This response is used by JavaScript to update the interface dynamically. For example, updating the heart icon and updating the watchlist counters. This creates a modern interactive experience without loading the page. Final result. So now our watchlist system can load save products from the database, display them dynamically, allow users to view product details, and allows users to add product to their watchlist. This is the same system used in modern e-commerce and learning platform. And that's it for today's tutorial. In the next video, we will continue improving this system by adding more interactive features and optimization. If you found this helpful, don't forget like, subscribe and hit the bell for more web development tutorial from DV Codex. See you in the next video.